Hi, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today I have Happy Mail to share with you guys. Let's start off with this cute Merry Christmas card. And it says, wishing you a happy and healthy holiday season. XO Lindsay from Bookish Mama Budgets. And with it, she sent this cute nutcracker here that saves $30. It is so adorable. So this will definitely go into my scratch and save. All right. Thank you, Miss Lindsay. That was my first official unexpected Happy Mail. And I also joined Miss Lindsay's her Ko-fi membership. And this one is travel theme, and it has some mini save here. Those are passports, so you can determine how much each passport is. This is a rolling save. Also cute, the bears. We have some stickers here, and you guys know I love some stickers, so I might put those on my Propmoney. And this is a nice save $30. And it's a card with a luggage. And you know I love my Propmoney. This got Bookish Mama Budgets on it. This is so cute. This is $100 placeholder or Propmoney. This is cute. I like that. And we have, of course, Shut the Box. Like that. That is too cute. And we have Paris theme here, and this is a save $45. That is cute. And we have another little mini save, saves $25. This one is $25. And oh, this says Ko-fi membership exclusive. Okay. And this is save $35. And it's all travel theme. And this is her Ko-fi membership. Really cute. Like that. All right. Moving along to another membership I have is Budget with Carly. All right. And this is cute. This is a mini save here. This is save 30, so that's another mini save that will go into my Monday video. This is, save 40. Really cute. This is a New Year, New Dreams. Save 70. And this cutie here is, look like all different kind of stamps. And this is a save 50. And again, that is Budget with Carly, and this is part of her membership also. And that was for November. All right, so let's get into some things I got for the Black Friday sales. Sorry, I didn't get all this out of the packaging. So this, look what I finally got. Oh, this packaging is so cute. I love stars. All right, I did it, guys. I finally got Chip Away. So this is Chip Away Mini. All right, I see everyone playing this, and I'm like, I want to get this. So it comes with instructions. Oh, first, this is from Mystic Budget. Sorry. And it just says, thanks for supporting my shop, Mel, aka Mystic Budgets. And it comes with this cute little envelope here. So cute. I like everything about this. And it came with this freebie. This is save $31. So you can, each cloud is $5 and each sun is $3. So you can color that if you wanted to. And this is the Chip Away Mini. And with the Chip Away Mini, the amounts are 1 through 4. And I believe the other one is 1 through 6. And they come with your chips. And it has the dies here. So stinking cute. Oh, I can't wait to play this. So look out for that. And this again is from Mystic Budgets. Miss Mail. So can't wait to play that. Next we have is, guess you can guess who this is from. This is from Lemon Ivy Budgets. So let's open up this one first. So this is some freebies. And we have the Lemon Ivy Budgets. That's a sticker. I'll put that on my Propmoney. And we have this cute little mini here. And this is a save 35. And we have the card here. And we have this little tiny here. Little scratch off. And we have what I ordered here are some challenges that I am going to create a like a senior year binder for my son to get prepared for his senior year. He is a junior in high school right now. So we have this scratch off here. This is a save 150, and it came with this cute sticker. I like that, so I will put that on the binder. And we have this scratch off. Excuse me. This is save 60. And he wants to be an aerospace engineer. So I thought this was nice and fitting. And we have this school is cool, save $80. So this is a sticker challenge. That is cute. And you know, with senior year, things add up. Far as fees for testing, cap and gown, yearbook, pictures, prom. And it's also in a CTC program for engineering. So there are also costs and fees there because he is taking college courses also while he's in high school. So yeah, we have to get prepared for all of that. So this is another cute saving challenge, say 75. So I decided to go ahead and start saving now to get prepared for his senior year, because I do not want to get anything, have any costs catch up to me or any fees. So again, these is all created by Lemon Ivy Budgets. All right. Next we have this is created by the Crafty Awareness. All right. You guys must know I love stickers because I have a lot of stickers. So we have this sticker, which is Santa, another Santa, and another Santa. And it's cute. Thank you. So cute. And I ordered, oh, this is another freebie. Hold on. This is Cherry Blossoms. Cute savings. And some more prop money. Yes, I need all the prop money. So I will add one of those stickers on here. So what I ordered here is rock, paper, scissors. And this is the die that comes with it. Ooh, it's so sparkly and cute. And it's green. Match my nails. Yes. So I got the low income one. So it's just you play rock, paper, scissors. And that's so cute. I like that. And it's laminated so I can play that over and over. I just love this die. So cute. And I also ordered this. So this says which budget envelope gets the money. So the last one to scratch off will be the envelope to get all the money. The denominations are 1 through 10. Choose carefully and good luck. So I personalized this and I had her put different categories under here. And I don't know what amount is which. So when I scratch them off, I will save that amount. And after I finish, whichever one is left will get all the money. So that is really fun. So watch out for this. I can't wait to play this. That is like really creative and fun. I like that idea. So again, this is created by Crafty Awareness. And I will have everyone down below, so go check them out. All right. I am just throwing Santa around everywhere. All right. Next, I have this. Oh my gosh. All right. No, I didn't need another book, but I just had to get this because this is too cute. This is created by Snow Gardener 307 and the life of a duck named what? Oh my goodness. This is like so cute. I like everything about this. So this is just what helped me just save for emergency funds. And this is for any emergency that may arise. I want to save for the 2025, start attacking my goals, and I will share all my goals for 2025 with you guys and how I want to achieve them. So yes, this is have everything medical. What the job? Wow. What the debt? Yes, I feel you. What? Yes, I feel you. This is how I look when that debt, Lord, have mercy. What the tire? I recently had a nail in my tire, which I was happy because I had a warranty, so I didn't have to pay anything. This is so stinking cute. Oh, just love that. The illustrations are everything in this. And the illustrations is by 307 Design Studio. And we have the little card here. And I got Georgette sticker. I didn't get the duck. So I'm not sure, but I did get the book, which is awesome. And I just love this. And this is, like I said, it's from Snow Gardener 307. So cute. All right. Last but not least, I have this here. And this is Stuff and Budget. And let's see what the freebies are. It's a star paper clip. I like that. I love stars, so that is cute. And this is a sticker. Nice little lantern there. That will go on some Propmoney. And a cute thank you. And a 2034 Year of the Tiger by Stuff and Budget. And it also, this was a freebie also. This is cute. Hello Kitty pen. Let's open this. This is cute, which I know my daughter is going to take this. So cute. I like that. All right, let's get into what I ordered. All right. So first I ordered these magnet binder charms. She showed these and I was like, that is so creative and cute. So they are like really heavy. These are magnets to put in your binder. So I have the magnet here. And that's a rose. Oh, these are really heavy duty. And I got this one, which is like a white flower. So cute. And I got this beauty here. And if you're not aware, purple is one of my favorite colors. So I decided to get this gorgeous, gorgeous binder. This is an A5 binder. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this is cute. I like this. Like it. And I plan to decorate the binder with these magnet clips, like put them somewhere on here, decorate it. And I will share that with you guys in an upcoming video when we put all of my 2025 binders together. So stay tuned for that. And I think that is all I have. Oh, this is so stinking cute. I just love this purple. I know you guys love my yellow binder, but this purple is everything. I think I'm order maybe one more binder, and I think I'll be ready for 2025. All right, that is all I have. All the fun is done. So if you enjoy my video, please give me a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe and share with a friend. Stay tuned for more videos about my goals and for 2025. And that is all I have. Bye, gems. Oh, remember to stay magical. Bye.